So today I'm going to show you the ITouchless 13-gallon automatic trash can. This trash can comes with the stainless steel can itself, the lid, and opening assembly portion, along with a scent absorbing cartridge that goes inside of it. This runs on 4D batteries. I have not ran them dead yet. Not too sure how long they will last. However, it does also have a 6-volt DC power inlet. There's your on and off switch. But this trash can is pretty simple to use. It's touchless. Wave your hand in front. Sorry, I was missing the sensor there. You can close it by hand. You can open it by hand. Close. The little sensor is right in here. Overall, I would recommend this trash can. It's a very affordable touchless can, compared to somewhere like Bed Bath & Beyond. You might be spending upwards of $100 on a stainless steel trash can that's definitely not automatic or touchless. It could be foot pedal style. But I wanted to give this a try, and overall I would recommend it, and I'll be putting the link in the description.